Filipino Achiever.
Hello mga Jess, nandito na sa Castle Peak Hotel. Tatanggap ng award si Mayor, no? Tingnan niyo yung damit ko, parang Mayor talaga. So yun mga Jess, nandito na tayo, no? World Cancer International. Tatanggap tayo ng award. Tara, pasok tayo.
Updates for the Chairman's Award may be calling once again our Ambassador Dr. Bobby Lee Sabrimon. May I request everyone to please stand together with Dr. Sakido, Dr. Narciso, Dr. Gina, and Dr. Lilian for the Chairman's Award. Council Director here in Cebu. Let us welcome Dr. Brett Jones Luapa. Please give him a round of applause. Once again, Dr. Brett J. Luapa. Congratulations. Dr. Nancy Tigarame. Please give her a round of applause. Once again, Lady Dr. Nancy Tigarame. Let's welcome Ryan G. Luapa. Once again, Ryan G. Luapa. Let us welcome once again our new awardee, our keynote speaker for this day, Lady Dr. Aurora Isidro. Let us welcome Lady Dr. Lilian S. Mercado. Please give a round of applause. Once again, Lady Dr. Lilian S. Mercado. Our next awardee is Kawal Maharlikang Filipino Achiever as given to Ryan G. Bodioanga, Trusted Health and Wellness with his golden medallion. Our next awardee is Kawal Maharlikang Filipino Achiever is given to Sir Jean Abellanosa, AC Azar Humanitarian Minister and Advocate.
Witness ko po si Dr. Narciso, our International Humanitarian Governor. Another witness is our one of our Regional Council Director, Dr. Architect Cesar Sapido. And we have our one keynote speaker today from United States of America, and she's supporting us for the past 7 years, if I'm not mistaken. Dr. Aurora E. Sison. Please have your seats.
Osamis City, yan. Osamis po, dinala ko siya dito diri sa Cebu upang makauban nato tanong karong hapon, karong gabi para matikman niyo po yung special ingredients ng Hilot Palagato. Kilala po siya bilang Mr. Adjust. Search nyo sa inyong webpage.
Gawad Filipino Cebu! Saludo kami! Sa Diyos ang papuri! Congratulations!